Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a very simple and great recipe with okra, ladyfinger and potato. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil gets hot, then add some onion finely sliced. When onion turns light brown, add potatoes cut into slices like this. Add a bit of salt, black pepper, pinch of turmeric and the chili powder, optional. Add a bit of water, stir and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. And let's open up and keep the heat over medium high. And now you can see the water. Once the water dry, add the okra, which I have already washed, and I have cut them into that size. For this recipe, you want to leave your ladyfinger or your okra in this size. Now give it a mix. Now you can reduce the heat to medium low, and then we are going to cover it and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. And now let's open up again, and now add some chili, again optional. And now you can see, without adding water, by covering the okra is already cooked and it stays green as well. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time with another one. For now, bye bye.